This is an easy and delicious recipe that you can make to enjoy guilt-free. Hey guys, it's Mariam Shibly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a delicious low-carb and low-fat shrimp fettuccine pasta. I love making this dish whenever I'm craving pasta that isn't marinara based. It's light and easy and so fresh. This is a great meal to serve for lunch or to meal prep with. Personally, I love making this because it's so easy and quick, especially with Trader Joe's egg fettuccine noodles, which are gluten-free and made with brown rice flour. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel below. The more you guys support me, the more I can pump out diet and fitness tips for you all. For this recipe, you'll need Trader Joe's gluten-free egg fettuccine pasta. And why I love this pasta so much, because if you look on the ingredients in the back, it has 0 added sugars, as well as it's made from brown rice flour. You'll need about 1 pound of frozen shrimp, a slice of lemon, 2 bell peppers, about a half a bunch of green onion chopped, 1 onion sliced, about 3 or 4 garlic cloves chopped, about half a bunch of cilantro chopped. You'll need 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, salt to add to your liking, half a teaspoon of chili pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get our pot of hot water ready for the pasta. And while that's happening, I like to go ahead and start working on the actual ingredients that go in the pasta. We're going to sear our bell peppers, so cut them in half and place it on high heat. And once they're seared on one side, flip it over so they sear on the other side. Then let's go ahead and sear our onions on a high heat. And once they start searing, we can go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Stir the olive oil in and then add the chopped garlic cloves and mix it all together. I forgot to record this step, but go ahead and add in your chopped seared bell peppers. And if your hot water is ready for the pasta, go ahead and lay in your pasta. You may have to tackle it a bit because it may still be sticking together, and that's not what you want. Place the heat on medium heat and go ahead and add your 1 cube of chicken broth or veggie broth. And then you'll want to add in your half teaspoon of chili pepper flakes and mix it all together. Next, you'll want to add on your frozen pound of shrimp. Mix the shrimp in and make sure to layer the sauteed vegetables all around and on top of the shrimp on medium heat. Let it cook until it's almost fully cooked so it looks white and not shrunken. Next, you'll want to add your 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. Mix it all together and add salt to your liking, and then add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it all together and then add your half lemon freshly squeezed onto the mixture. After you drain the water from the noodles, you'll want to mix in the noodles and make sure you mix it well so the flavor gets all around the noodles. The second to last step is to add in your chopped green onions, mix it all together, and then go ahead and add in your chopped cilantro. Stir it all together and voila! You've done it, guys. It's low fat, low carb, and so delicious. I can't wait for you guys to enjoy. If you guys really like this recipe, don't forget to tag me when you make it. It's made with low carb and low fat egg fettuccine noodles that are gluten free from my favorite store, Trader Joe's. So good, guys.